Alright guys, hope you are doing fine. We are going to try to record a live session when we have huge news today. 5 minutes to go. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm still learning, I'm still trying, but this is the opportunity to make quite a decent amount of money. And I'm just, first I want to learn, make sure I do it right, make sure I do it correct, and then increase obviously the investments and the stuff. So what I'm using is Vantage Pro Trader platform. This is obviously from this broker. I was trying some other brokers. I'm not sure. I couldn't find any better ones, because what is the big issue from in this kind of cases in the brokers? You have to have a very good spread. That's number one. Absolutely very low spread. It's here in the corner. And also you have to have some tools to trade very fast. So in this case of this news trading that we're gonna do right now, set it up, is very close to the time when it's going to be posted in 5 minutes. You have to place a trade on top and on the bottom. So we have to place the trade somewhere here and somewhere here. As you can see, the price weirdly jumped from here to here. So I'm trading gold. You can trade whatever you want. You can obviously try it first. Don't jump on the real stuff soon. But with gold, I noticed that around $3 from the price, you have to set them on both sides. Today's news are gonna be huge, so I'm going to try and set it even higher, like $4 or $5 from the current price. So how we can do it on Vantage is on Vantage you have this stuff here where we're gonna set our I wanted to set stop orders. Let's try that maybe with this kind of order. Let me just find it. Yeah, the ticks here. So we've got stop order and limit order. I don't remember now. I think it might be better with the limit order. Let me just try limit order today. Roughly we're gonna set 117.90. So as you can see, it's giving us the option to place the order higher. So I'm setting up around 150. So it's giving us about current price plus yeah, I'm gonna go higher. I'm gonna go to 200. So as you can see, it will literally put the order in higher than we want by 200 ticks. Or I'm not really an expert yet on that, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna train and learn. Definitely this is a huge opportunity. I'm going with 0.2 lot size just to try it out. Take profit and stop loss, very important. So what we're gonna do is try to set up take profits 93. Yeah, we can do 25 and 25 stop loss as well. This is going to be a very huge movement here, and let's copy that 200. As you can see, it's moving up and down now, wiggling, so we can't place it very close. As you can see, it's gonna place it at 1791 at the moment. 791. Yeah, that should be fine. And then we're gonna set the sell as well on minus 200. So let's say now, as you can see, let's place this one. Okay, so we already have a problem here. Let's try the stop one, because this is based on this huge movements. The brokers don't like it, don't want you to make money. So let's just try this, and then sell is minus 200. Okay, take profit, stop loss as well. So we have now 1 minute to go, and we have, as you can see, this huge wick. So if it's going to grab this, it's going to be powerful. So that's why I set up much further from the stuff, and the consensus is it's going to drop. I'm not sure if it's gonna go up and down. That's why we're placing on both sides. We have some time to go. Yeah, as you can see, huge spike now, and now it's dropping. That's why we need to do it so far away, and this is unfortunately maybe going the other way around. It's just simply they're sometimes preparing themselves like pushing it much higher, and then it's gonna drop, and hopefully it's not gonna cause me trouble. But as you can see, it spiked from 1880s. So as you can see, we have 260. Let's close it quickly. My goodness. And we going up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we went very big up. And hopefully it's not gonna come down now, but we could set up much higher as well. The take profit, as you can see, it went so fast. What did we do here? It's sometimes not refreshing properly, the Vantage website. So from 1788 it went up to 1809 in gold. As you can see, that's a huge. Let me just refresh that, because sometimes Vantage is not going to not refreshing properly, because it's so fast, so big, so huge spikes. So here we are, and let's see what we did here. It's still not showing, but I can see by my equity that I did that 200 profit. So let me just leave this one for now running here, and as you can see, it went huge there. I'm gonna close this one. So we made some money. Let me just quickly check if I can see it, because it's not showing at all. Okay, so this one is here, hit the take profit, $216 in literally 30 seconds. As you can see, it wasn't even showing. I closed it manually, but it was already closed. That's how fast these things work. That's how fast they go. I have some other things running. I should have even closed them, because this is from bots. But as you can see, this one is the one that I placed manually, $216 in 30 seconds. And that's how these things work. And we can obviously now learn some more. That the huge spike that was here, not sure which way it's going to go now, but this was obviously a huge spike. So let's see how it goes.